For the next few minutes, I'll explain Silverbillet's no-risk approach to claim scrubbing and how it will increase your profits and your customers' profits. To maximize user acceptance, we structured our offering to eliminate any risk. There is no risk for you, the vendor, nor is there any for your customers. The way we eliminate risk is simple. If the savings experienced by scrubbing do not exceed the cost of the service, then the user will not be charged. In other words, we only charge the people who benefited above and beyond the cost of scrubbing. Risk is eliminated because no long-term commitment is required. Customers can opt out at any time, and there's no sign-up or initiation fees. All of our users save money as we catch their coding errors before they leave their desk. For those users that don't generate errors, we don't issue an invoice. No one ever loses money when partnering with Silverbillet for scrubbing. Not you, not your customers. Would you like to know how we can make such a bold statement that no one will lose money? It's simple. Our monthly charge is about 60% the cost of resubmitting one claim. So, the provider saves money as soon as we find the first error. By the way, we almost always find errors, and the typical provider saves over $300 a month. The user is not invoiced until after the money has been saved. Like I said, no one loses money. What about your organization? It's a no-loss proposition for you as well, because integration is free and we only charge once you have charged your customer. At the end of each month, we issue a report showing the scrubbing activity and the total savings per provider. After the first month, we charge you $12.50. With 100% markup, you charge $25 per month. We found that typically 50% of our providers will sign up for scrubbing, and once they sign up, our retention rate is over 95%. That means for every 100 providers using your software should generate at least an additional $7,500 per year for your organization. As you can see, the more providers you have, the greater opportunity to increase your revenue. No one will lose money. The question is, how much money will you make? The wonderful thing about scrubbing is it adds value without any extra work. Every claim is scrubbed automatically without an extra click or keystroke. As you can see, we check for all areas related to coding errors, even enabling users to generate their own scrubbing rules. Because we maintain it and run it as a web service, the information is always current, and as new rules are added or codes are deleted, we update the data without any effort from your staff. Basically, once it's up and running, there is no programming work required on your end. Here's how it works. The user enters a claim as they always have. If there's no error in the claim is saved. For the user, no changes will be perceived until an error is found. As soon as they enter a claim with an error, they are notified of the issue and have the choice to save it or correct the problem. This user interface and the software behind it is the bulk of the work that your software engineer will need to create to integrate scrubbing. We invite you to partner with us. Allow us to save your customers money by reducing claim denials. Our no-risk policy and scrubbing accuracy ensures a high adoption rate. We know from experience scrubbing will increase your profits and make your software more attractive to potential new users. Contact us today to set up a live demo where we can show you the scrubber in action and answer all of your questions.